What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Long time no see, right? Well, you guys see me on my main channel, but I haven't been really posting on Cinex TV up until today. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a bunch of life hacks that involve using your phone. We all have phones. So in this video, SB and I are gonna show you some really cool tricks that you guys can try at home using your phones. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you support this channel and we'll keep posting more videos on here. Let's get started. Check it out. Here's a hack that you guys can have fun with using your phone. You're gonna take a piece of clear tape and cover the flashlight, and you can color it any color you want. So right here I'm taking green and I'm just gonna color it in like so. And that's it, guys. You can switch it up and use multiple colors. Now when you do turn on your flashlight, this is what it's gonna look like. Look at that. It looks better in the dark, but as you guys can see, it's shining a bright green color. So if you guys were to switch it up to, let's say, purple, let's do purple now. Actually, I think this is pink. I'm not sure. We'll find out right now. I guess it is kind of purple. Here's my charging cord, guys. It's pretty long sometimes, especially if it's on my desk. And a good way to shorten this is to use 2 pens. Well, basically, all you need is 1 pen and 2 caps, like these. You're gonna get a good length of the plug-in. You're gonna get about 6 inches. So make sure 6 inches stick out and then start wrapping your cord around your pen. Alright, perfect. And then another 6 inches or 4 inches, up to you, are gonna be free on the other side. That's when you're gonna put the other cap on to hold everything in place. Just like this, guys. Look how clever that is. And now let's say that your phone is right here and your computer or your charger is right here. See, it's not taking up a lot of space. And if you guys need more cord, you just turn it and you'll get more cord out of it. And then just put it back and that's it. Very simple, very easy hack for you guys with long cords. For this hack, let's say you're trying to make a phone stand. All you need is a stack of staples and a little binder clip. You're gonna attach the binder clip onto the stack of staples like so, right on the middle, and then you're gonna put your phone on it. So let's say you're trying to watch a movie or one of my videos, so you just place the phone inside the stack of staples like so. Make sure to center the staples, and then look, guys, lean it back, and that's it. Look how awesome that is. This is how the back looks. So basically the phone relies on the binder clip for support. It's just that simple.
Alright guys, so this is one of my favorites right here. Let's say I just bought this phone and I need to protect it with a case and I don't have the money for it or something. Well, this trick that I'm about to show you guys works like a charm. So check it out. What you do is you grab a balloon and you inflate it. Once you got that down, place your phone on top of it like this and you push down. Make sure you use some strength, okay? You push it down and then you let the air go slowly. You keep pushing down, you keep pushing down. And voila, look at that. It might not look pretty, it might look ghetto or whatever, but this is for emergencies. I don't recommend you guys use it every day, but I mean, if you just bought a phone and you don't have the case available, then just use one of these balloons. You see that? And of course you can stretch it out a little like this. But this is a great way to protect your phone when you do not have a phone case. Another trick you can do using a balloon and a phone is wrapping the tip around the top of the phone like this. And that's it. Now what you can do is just hang it on top of something or anywhere where you need your phone hanging. Let me show you guys how it works with the push pin. So you find the desired wall and then you poke the balloon with the push pin. And there it is. You can be in the toilet. You don't want to hold your phone with your hands. Well, this will work perfect. You can watch a video. You can go watch Nextraker. You can go watch Awesome SB using this trick while you use the restroom.
Here's a great way to make a phone stand, guys. All you guys are gonna need is 1 paper clip, and your phone has to have a phone case like the one I have right here. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna undo the paper clip like so. So now it's in an L shape. Now the longest part, we're also gonna undo that. And now the longest part is also an L, and then we're gonna bend this down, the tip. And then we're gonna insert that through the camera opening that's on the case. So stick it in there and that's it. So watch guys. See how easy that is? But your phone does need to have a phone case. If it doesn't have a phone case, then this hack will definitely not work for you. Look how awesome that is. Now, if your phone doesn't have a phone case, let me show you a good way to make a phone stand using 2 paper clips. We're basically gonna repeat most of the process from the last hack. We're gonna turn the paper clip into an L shape, like so. So do that to both. And then on the shortest end, we're gonna pull up that end like this. So do that to the other one. Alright guys, and then the longer ends, we're gonna cross them. So join them together and then sit them on a counter or a table like so. So this is what the phone stand should look like. You're gonna place this on a counter and then don't let go just yet. As your video's playing, place your phone on the 2 paper clips and it should act as a phone stand. Look at that. See how both paper clips are working together to hold up that phone? It's just that simple, guys. You guys can do this in the office. You guys can do this at school. You just need 2 paper clips. And that's pretty much it. Now that was a cool prank right there. I've been wanting to test out this hack for a while. So I have some aluminum foil right here. And as you guys can see, I'm always wearing gloves. So this hack is for those of you, maybe if it's cold and you're wearing gloves and you can't really use your phone unless you take your thumb out or whatever, then your thumb's gonna be cold. So I heard somewhere that if you put a piece of aluminum foil on your finger, so you're gonna wrap it around your finger, you'll be able to use your touchscreen phone. So let's put that to the test right now. Let's see, am I able to push up? Oh wow, I can. Can I turn on the flashlight? I can. That doesn't really solve anything because I'm able to do that with my latex gloves. Let's see if I can do that without me having my finger in this. Oh wow, it's like a stylus. So basically all you do need is to make a little stick out of this and use it as a stylus. I guess this hack isn't that reliable as you guys can see, but you can still make it work if you wrap it around your finger. Right here I have a plastic bag tab. You guys are familiar with these. You find them in bread bags or anything that needs to be sealed up. So we're gonna use this to help us out with our headphones that we use for our phone. Let's see. I'm gonna put the headphones through the opening, so the earbuds go through the opening like so. And then I'm gonna wrap everything around it. So you're gonna stick out like this and then I'm gonna wrap the rest of the cord sideways. So it's a good way to, I guess, shorten your cord if it's too long for you. If it gets in the way, let's say you're working out, this is a great way to shorten it, like so. See, that way when you're running, it doesn't get in the way. It's just the right length. One last little hack for you guys, and yes, it's another phone stand. For those of you that love watching videos and movies on your phone. Now notice that my phone right here, I have a case, and underneath, I have my trusty little magnet. It's a little plate that goes inside, so I can attach it on anything that will attract the magnet. So here we go, guys. What I have right here is a large binder clip, and no, it does not attract to the phone. So what I'm gonna do is attach a magnet onto this binder clip like that, and now I can place this anywhere and then just rest my phone on it. And look, I'm watching one of my videos and I'm gonna attach it on there. Look how easily that occurred, and that's it. This is so simple and so easy, guys, and you can maneuver your phone, move it around. It's a great little stand for those of you that love watching movies and videos on your phone.
As you guys saw, most of these hacks weren't that great. They weren't completely failures, but I mean, we were just trying them out. Never done them before. We were just trying to see if they were actually useful. And as you saw, some were, some weren't.
They weren't that big of failure, but some of them we don't recommend. They weren't worth the time being spent on them. But some were, and some will come in handy to those of you that need them.
Now, you guys should try them out yourself. Don't take our word for it. You know, sometimes other people get them right.
Yeah, maybe we did them wrong. Yeah. Maybe we didn't do them the right way. Maybe you guys will have better luck with them.
Yep, so go ahead and try them out, man.
Yeah, guys, but if you did enjoy this video, I hope you gave it a thumbs up and that you continue supporting this channel as well as my other channels. And you can go and check out SB at his new channel. He barely started posting videos, so guys, show him some love. I want to thank him for stopping by and helping me out with this video. We'll be seeing you pranksters in our next video.
Peace!
If you have a bigger one, then stick a bigger one in there. It might hold it vertically, but this one is just for horizontal use. So if you want a portrait mode, or if you want landscape mode, and then lay it on the table, and that's it. See, it holds your phone. It's tilted a little so you could watch a video vertically. It only works vertically though.